Hi everyone, have an idea but struggling to put it into a professional presentation? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to transform your ideas into stunning slides using the Gamma in just a simple steps. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to go to the Gamma and click a new. Then, choose a template based on your needs or start from the scratch. Then here you can enter your content. Input your content whether it's a text, images, or data. Just type your idea in simple terms and then Gamma will organize it a neat section. Then here you can also choose a professional themes. Pick a variety of professional themes to give your slides a polished look. Whether you're presenting a project or pitching an idea, the Gamma has got you covered. These themes are pre-designed color schemes, font styles, so all you want to do is to focus on your content. Then here you can customize your slides. If you want to make it unique, you can add images and icons, adjust the text replacement, or use a formatting tools that is smart formatting tools, and this make your presentation stand out and appear tailored to your audience. And lastly, you can add transitions and animations if you like, then review and finalize. Once you're done, take a step back and review your slides. Ensure that everything flows logically and looks visually appealing. And once satisfied, export your slides as PDF, PowerPoint, or even directly present them in Gamma. And that's how you turn any idea into a professional looking presentations with Gamma. Simple, fast, and effective. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.